What's going on, guys? This is Vince with VSHRED.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you the worst exercise for fixing your low back pain. Alright, so like I said, today's video is going to be covering one exercise that I see done all the time, and typically it is for individuals who are experiencing low back pain, and not even necessarily means that they have low back pain, but they're always trying to strengthen their low back muscles when they do this exercise. And I'm not even necessarily saying that the exercise is wrong altogether, but the way they're doing it is possibly going to just cause an injury. So as you can see right now, I am standing kind of in this little contraption here, and what this is a hyperextension machine, or I guess thing. And hyperextension, if you don't know what that means, basically you lean forward on some kind of pad right here that's below your waist, and you go forward and then you go back up. Oh, and I'm really sore back there, so I'm feeling it. But typically the people who do this exercise are those who are trying to strengthen their low back, and that could be because they just want a stronger low back and they'd like to build some definition back here, or that could mean that they're experiencing low back pain, and so they're going to an exercise where they're going to be strengthening that area, which is always a good way to go about it. But if you're doing this wrong, and I see it done wrong all the time, then you're going to end up hurting yourself. So I'm not necessarily knocking this exercise, I'm knocking it with wrong form. So let me show you exactly what that wrong form looks like, and hopefully I don't pull my hamstring muscle because I'm really sore right now. Alright, so low or incorrect form, I'm already in it first off, right here. And so I'm going to go down, and then I'm going to go up. And I'm in it. Down, in wrong form here, in wrong form here. So what exactly am I doing wrong? I'll tell you. So, I mean, first off, hyperextension, like I said, is a great exercise for working your posterior chain of your body. That basically just means all the different muscle groups running down the backside of your body. It's good at working those. It's especially good at working your lumbar erectors, which is what is responsible for holding us in good posture. So some people might be working their low back muscles in order to promote better posture, which is going to therefore reduce back pain typically. But when you are doing a hyperextension and you're going into this exercise, the worst thing you can do is overextend. I hate that it's called hyperextension, because hyperextension, when you hyperextend, let's say my elbow right here and I hyperextend it, that means that it gets hyperextended past what straight is. If I hyperextend my knee, that means it gets extended past what normal extension is. Hyperextension of the back means that you're going to be extending past what normal is. And right here, if I had no skin, if I had no clothes on and no skin, and you were just looking at my muscles, my lower back muscles right now are completely pinched. They are right now I am not in a neutral spine. If you can actually come to the side of me, or I'll show B-roll right now of me to the side. You can see that my body is not straight. You can tell that when you look to the side, my chest is out, you can see my spine is at a curve, and that is going to be pinching down on that muscle. So the worst thing that you could do is when you come up, you go too far. The most important thing with back extensions like this is that you stop at neutral spine. Stopping right there is going to be the key difference between whether you hurt your back or whether you strengthen your back. And then I'll also throw in one more tip. When you go down, it's okay to go down far, but you don't want to lose tension down here, because if you lose tension down here and you just kind of start hanging, and then you go engage into the upward motion of the extension, but you engage the wrong type of muscles, you're gonna end up hurting yourself on the way back up. So you wanna make sure if you do go all the way down there, you're keeping your glutes, you're keeping your hamstrings, and you're keeping your back engaged down here and controlling it back up. Engaging, controlling, and not going past neutral spine. So if you have lower back pain, or if you're trying to strengthen your lower back at all and you have done this exercise before, especially if you've done it wrong, make sure that you are fixing this one easy tip, and it's going to go a long way in the long run with helping you strengthen up that area and not hurt it. So if you guys are looking for more tips and tricks in the gym, in the kitchen, how to get in shape, I always have my free body type quiz. I link it on every video. That way I can help you to actually see consistent results in the mirror, on the scale, with whatever your body type is. No one size fits all approach bullshit here at VSHRED. We take everything into consideration. What shape you're in, what your goals are, what you're struggling with, what you're capable of doing, and it spits out a video with the 3 most important things that you need to do for your individual body type. You can check that out by clicking the link in the description right below this video. Other than that, if you guys like this video, if you guys learned anything, if you have any comments, questions, concerns, make sure you're hitting that thumbs up button. Make sure you're leaving any comments below, and then make sure you are smashing that subscribe button. That way you're not missing out on any future videos. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.